Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigi and Cali channel. Hey travelers and parents. Today, I'm thrilled to share a game changer for stress-free family trips, the Trunki ride-on suitcase. This little suitcase packs big smiles and even bigger convenience for your travel adventures. Why parents approve? Trunki doesn't just keep kids happy, it keeps parents sane. Navigating busy terminals becomes a breeze with a product that's both functional and fun. Plus, it meets carry-on size requirements, so you're set for seamless travel. 5 reasons why you'll love it. Number 1. Ride-on fun. Say goodbye to bored, fidgety kids at the airport. Trunki doubles as a ride-on toy, keeping your child entertained while moving from gate to gate. Number 2. Spacious interior. Need to pack their favorite toys, snacks, or clothes? Trunki's roomy compartment fits it all, making it perfect for short getaways or sleepovers. Number 3. Built to last. Made with sturdy, lightweight plastic, it's tough enough to handle all the riding and scooting little ones love. Number 4. Easy to tow or carry. Comes with a secure tow strap, so your child can ride, and you can pull them effortlessly when they need a break. Number 5. Bonus features. Cute, colorful designs that kids adore. Lockable catches, to keep their treasures safe. Comfy saddle for smooth, giggle-filled rides. With Trunki, every journey starts with joy and ends with memories. Grab one today at Gigi and Cali web and turn travel time into playtime. Thanks for watching Gigi and Cali channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.